Today I am going to teach you how to cut a kurta Indian wear, okay? So our length is 28, chest is 36, waist is 30, hip is 37, shoulder is 14 and a half, sleeve length is 15 and a half, sleeve round is 11, and the armhole is 17 and a half. The front neck low is 8, okay? First, draw a line, okay? Take a margin of half inches for stitching, okay? Take a half inches line, okay? First, we measure the length. The length of the kurta is 28, okay? Mark it on the 28, okay? Draw a straight line on 28. Measure the shoulder here. The shoulder of the kurta is 14 and a half, okay? So 14 and a half divided by 2, okay? So that is 2 and quarter, okay? 2 and quarter, and mark it on that side. The neck broad will always be for the perfect shoulder. It always will be 6 inches. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3, okay? Now we have to mark an armhole line. So the armhole line always will be for the closed neck of the back will be 7.5. You can change according to the size, okay? The chest is 36. That's the body measurement. So according to that, body measurement should be 3 inches loose. So 36 plus 3 inches, that is 39. So waistline will be coming. The shoulder is 14 and a half. So the waistline will come on 14 and a half. Okay. So waist is 30 plus 5 inches. For the tucks 2 inches, and the blousing will come 3 inches. So that is 35 inches. 35 divided by 4. Okay. That is 8 and 3/4. Where the waistline comes, after that 7 inches comes the hip line. Okay. The hip line. So hip is 37 plus 2 inches loosen will come always in the hip. So that is 39. Okay. And this is the flare. The flare will always will come according to the 30 hip only. Okay. So draw a line from chest to waist, waist to hip, and hip to the flare. Okay. This is the cut line. Okay. The slit would come from here to here. Take the shoulder till 7 inches, same mark it. Okay. Draw straight line. 3/4 inches with the shoulder down. Okay. Shoulder will be 3/4 inches down. Make a shape on an armhole like a circle. Take in 2 inches upper side. Okay. Mark it and see. Armhole is 17 and a half. So you have to check it. The armhole is coming or not. See, the armhole is coming exactly 17 and a half. Okay. This is the body measurement. According to this, you have to take a margin also for if you want to loosen it or not. The margin will be 1.5 inches. Okay. This is chest margin, waist margin, hip the margin. Okay. So here the margin will be less because the margin we have to stick in stitching is less. Then you pick out it. See, here the margin should be 1/2 inches. This is the sleeve margin. Okay. Take 2.5 inches down for the back neck. You have to cut it. we have cut front and back both. You have to mark it, okay, with the marking wheel. So our fitting should come perfect. Mark it on the other side also. This is the back, okay? Remove the back, take the front. Okay? The front armhole will be down by half inches, okay? You have to cut the armhole by half inches, the front armhole, okay? See, I'm marking it, showing you. Like, okay? This is the front armhole. Okay? The front armhole is cut. Measure the neck. The neck is 8 inches, okay? 8 inches. Mark it. Here will be 3 inches, okay? Take 3 inches also here also. The draw in straight line. Draw here again the straight line. Make a circle. Okay, the front and the back will be been cut. Now we will cut the sleeves, okay? Press it. Wherever the wrinkle is there, clean it properly. Okay. Mark it, half inch margin plus arm measurement. So sleeve length is 15.5, okay? So sleeve length is 15.5. We'll mark it there. I will mark straight line, okay? The bottom is level, so I'll divide by 2. That is level. 5.5. 17.5 is our armhole. So we'll take 8.5, okay? Cross back, mark it in 8.25, okay? Draw a circle like this, okay? Then check it, the armhole is coming 17.5 or not. The armhole is coming 17.5, okay? Then cut it, half inch margin will be down and 1.5 inch will be margin will be side. The front armhole, you have to cut it half inch.